keep reeling. Don't lower your rod tip. Don't give it no slack. Just keep reeling. It's a good one.
Yeah,
Keep going.
That's good. Oh shit!
Don't lower your rod tip. Just keep it going. Lower just a little bit. Lower just a little bit. There you go. Right there.
Come on,
Keep it right there.
Dog. You gotta muscle through
Keep it right there. Just keep turning it. Keep the line tight. Just keep turning. There you go. You got it.
Oh, he's fucking.
You got it.
Come over me, come over me.
Come this way. Get in that corner. Put your thighs on that. There you go. Put your thighs on that rail. Oh no!
God damn it!
There you go. Keep it tight. Gotta keep it tight.
Oh, this thing's
Keep
heavy.
reeling. Because there's sharks down there, barracudas. They'll take your fish. Don't lose this one. You got it. You got it. Keep going. Keep cranking. Come on.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. Keep cranking. There you go. You got it. You got it. There it is. It got a little bit of color. You can come right here, soft. Yeah. Come to me. Just.
That's a good one.
There you go. Ooh, that's a nice fat one. Got the line on it. Woo! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Who got the big fish?
I did!
Yeah!
What's up?